So if you want to install Chromium OS on your laptop or PC, this is how you do it. First thing you want to do is go to Neverware. So if you type in Neverware on Google, you will find their website just there. So what you want to do is go to Cloud Ready Editions, Home, and if you scroll down you will have a 64-bit edition and a 32-bit. Alright, so I have already downloaded the 64-bit right over here and extracted it. Now after you extract the zip file, you will end up with this bin, so that's what we will need. And now what you want to do is go ahead and type etcher on Google, and you wanna install this etcher. So let's do that. I have downloaded etcher right over here. So that's etcher. Take your USB, plug it in. I will format the USB. I think that this is new. Alright, so etcher detected the USB. Now you have to select the image, which is the bin file I talked about. So I have it right over here, and just click on flash. So I will let Etcher do the job. I'll pause the video and get back once it's done. Alright, so it says flash complete and I get this error again, but I will just ignore it. So let's see if it's working. So this is the laptop that will have Chromium OS installed on it. So insert the USB and just boot up. So you will get this screen. Now what you have to do is, let's see, connect to the internet. No, I don't really want to connect right now. I think I must. So oh, there you go, browse as guest. So just hit browse as guest when you can. And now if you go here, you'll see that you have this install cloud ready. So click that. So I will leave it like this, pause the video and get back again when it finishes. So my laptop just shut down. So oh, it didn't. I thought it shut down. So I guess I'll have to wait a bit more. Well, now it really shut down. So I'll just take out the USB and boot up. So there you go, Chromium OS installed. Now you just have to do your settings and use it.